everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create Flawless subscriber from ConvertBox and add to segment. So let's suppose I am an online Java course provider and using ConvertBox to capture all the potential leads, and then I am adding these leads to Flawdesk and creating them as subscriber in segment. But now I want that whenever a new form submission has been made through ConvertBox, it is automatically sent to Flawdesk and the subscriber is created automatically in segment. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. I just need to build connection between ConvertBox and Flawdesk. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is triggers and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take ConvertBox where the new form submission will be made, and in my action application I will take Flawdesk where the subscriber will be created in segment automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Flawdesk subscribers from ConvertBox and add these subscribers in Flawdesk segment. For this, we are going to create automation between ConvertBox and Flawdesk with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on create workflow, and now it's asking for the workflow name. So let's name this as how to create Flawdesk subscriber from ConvertBox and add to segment. Now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created, and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create Flawdesk subscriber from ConvertBox, which means whenever a form submission will be made through ConvertBox, a subscriber will be created in Flawdesk, which means whenever a submission will be made through ConvertBox, this complete workflow will get triggered. So our trigger application will be ConvertBox. And our trigger event will be new lead submission. Now I need to make connection between ConvertBox and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is given to us, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my ConvertBox with Pabbly Connect. Reading this help desk, we will make the connection. So under this, it's written you have to add the webhook URL provided above into ConvertBox. To add the webhook URL, go to ConvertBox dashboard, click edit on one of your ConvertBoxes. On the customize window, click on the form to bring the edit form screen. So let's open our ConvertBox account. This is the dashboard and this is my ConvertBox. Over here, I need to click on edit. And next it's written on the customize window, click on the form to bring the edit form screen. Click on form action. On form action, when a visitor submits this form, choose go to the next step. Then add on add integration. From the pop-up, choose webhook, and in the webhook URL, add the webhook link provided above. So over here, I will click on any of these fields, click on form setting, click on action, and from here I need to select go to next step, click on integrations, and over here I need to add my webhook URL. So click on add integration, select the integration as webhook, and let's go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and paste it over here. Click on add integration, click on save. So we have entered the webhook URL. Now I need to click on next, click on next, click on finish. So we have made the setup of webhook URL. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and over here we can see waiting for the webhook response. And under this it's written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So as to get the response over here, I need to do a test submission, and for that I need to open this form. So this is my form I made with ConvertBox, and over here I need to enter all these details. So let's enter dummy data in all these fields. So let's say my first name is new, my last name is user, my email address is new3@pabblitudes.com, my mobile number is, my street address is Old Street, my postal code is, my city is Bhopal, and my state is Madhya Pradesh. Now click on submit. Now we have submitted the form. Let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received this response there or not. Over here we can see we have instantly captured the response. The state was Madhya Pradesh, postal code was this, phone number was this, first name was new, last name was user, email address was new3@pabblitudes.com, city was Bhopal, and the address was Old Street. So we have made connection between ConvertBox and Pabbly Connect, and now we need to move to our next step. So we want to create subscriber in Flowdesk. So our action application will be Flowdesk. And our action event will be create or update subscriber. Now click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection, connect with Flowdesk. Now we need to give away all the permissions because my data is saved with Pabbly Connect and authorization is successful. Now Flowdesk is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now we need to enter all these details. So to enter this, first one is field, and I want to keep this field as email itself. Next is field value. I will enter email address in my field value, and to enter this I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from ConvertBox. So over here I will click on ConvertBox and map my email address as new3@pabblitudes.com. I'll follow the same process to map my first name, which is new, and my last name, which is user. Now over here it's written send opt-in confirmation emails to subscribers. So I do not want to send emails to subscribers. I will just select this as no and leave these fields blank because these are not required and needed for me to create subscriber in Flowdesk. Next, I will enter the mobile number. I will use the same process and map my mobile number as this one. So mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make it static and the information will not change even if you have received a new response. Now we simply need to click on save and send test request. And over here we can see we have received the response. The subscriber ID is this, status is active, email address was new3@pabblitudes.com, first name, last name, phone number. So now let's open our Flowdesk account and check whether we have created the subscriber there or not. Over here let's refresh the page once. And we can see we have created this subscriber by the name new3@pabblitudes.com. But I want to create this subscriber under a segment. So for that, let's go back to Pabbly Connect and add one more action step where we will select Flowdesk as our action application and select our action event as add existing subscriber to segment. Click on connect. Click on save. So over here, I need to enter the email address of the subscriber and the segment under which I want to create this subscriber. So I want to create this subscriber under ConvertBox. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and select my segment as ConvertBox. And over here, I will enter the email address using the same process, which is mapping. So my email address was new3@pabblitudes.com and simply click on save and send test request. So over here I have received the response. Now let's open our Flowdesk and check whether under ConvertBox segment this subscriber has been created there or not. Let's open ConvertBox segment. And we can see we have created the subscriber new3@pabblitudes.com. So as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open our form once again and fill some other dummy details over here. So let's say my first name is latest. My last name is user. My email address is latest4@pablitudes.com. My mobile number is, my street address is New Street, my postal code is, my city is Jaipur, and my state is Rajasthan. Now click on submit. Now let's open our Flawdesk and check whether this subscriber has been created under the segment or not. Let's refresh the page, open the ConvertBox segment, and we can see we have created the subscriber by the email latest4@pablitudes.com. So to summarize this, we took ConvertBox as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted the form and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as Flawdesk. We made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of mapping, after which we created the subscriber in Flawdesk. But we want to create that subscriber in segment, so we took another action step and select our action application as Flawdesk, where we took action event as add existing subscriber to segment and then entered the segment under which we want to create the subscriber and the subscriber's email address. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as a new subscriber created under the same segment. So we have successfully created automation between ConvertBox and Flawdesk with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.